Dalimi, I'm going. Having fun and not fighting with Dalkong.
Don't worry, Mommy. I'll take good care of Dalkong.
Alright, see you later.
What's that sound? Oh no, the house is a mess. It's because of Dalkong. Dalkong is still a baby, so I have to clean up and make food for her. Today, I'll take care of Dalkong like Mom does. Shall we wash Dalkong's dirty clothes? First, I'll put Dalkong's clothes in the washer. Oh, I almost forgot to add the detergent. Then close the washer door, press the button, and the laundry starts. Alright, shall we start cleaning the floor next? Phew, the floor is totally a mess. Dalkong, can you please move? Okay. Sweep! Sweep! All clean! The floor is clean now. Mom will praise me when she sees it, right? The laundry seems to be done. The washing machine works well. Let's get dressed, Dalkong. How is it? Clean, right? Huh? Are you hungry? Don't worry. I'll cook for you. Just wait a moment. What should I cook for Dalkong? Let's spin the roulette. Dalkong's favorite, donuts. I should make some really delicious donuts. I need to get flour, chocolate. I also need sprinkles too. I'll add water to the flour to make the dough. Then, I'll put the dough in the oven to bake. After baking the donuts perfectly, we'll decorate them nicely. Sprinkles, sprinkles! They're all set. It looks tasty. Dalkong will love them. Dalkong, let's eat donut. Donut! Try it. How about that, Dalkong? Wow, she's eating well. It must have been really delicious. While I'm doing the dishes, you are playing by yourself. There's a lot of dishes to wash. But I'm Dalkong's mom today. Let's get started. Finally, all done. So good. Phew. Now, can I rest? Household chores is so tiring. How does Mom do this every day? I should help Mom from now on.
Dalimi, Dalkong, I'm back.
Welcome back, Mommy. I took good care of Dalkong, and I finished cleaning the house. What? What is that?
Oh my god.
I definitely cleaned the house. Hey, Dalkong! friends. This is Dalimi's refrigerator. Want to see what's inside? Let me see. Oh no, it's so messy in here. Oops, how did it happen? Why are the socks here? What? Shoe? There's a mouse in the cheese.
Squeak, squeak.
I need to clean the fridge and organize it properly. First, clean up the fridge. Put the fish and veggies here. Put the hot dogs, waffles, and sausages. Put the frozen pizza and dumplings in the freezer. Oh, right, ice cream too? Let's freeze some ice ahead of time to make our drink super cool. Put water in a mold and freeze it. Ta-da! Ice is ready. Oops, it's cold. Place the eggs here and put the juice and milk in the door. Even when the door is closed, I can reach them. I should decorate the fridge with some stickers. Fluffy stickers are so nice. Ta-da! All done.
I'm starving.
Are you awake, Dalkong? I'll give you some orange juice. Drink this and you will feel better. I'll give you ice, too. Look, our fridge even makes ice.
I like juice. It's cool and sweet.
Phew! I'm glad I froze the ice in advance.
Dalimi! Dalkong! Mom's here!
Oh, wow! Mommy, I'm hungry. Give me some food from the fridge. Hurry! Hurry!
I want a hot dog.
I want pizza.
Okay, I got it.